The Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program that works. Introduction, 0 o'clock to 0:30. Background music fades in, upbeat and energetic. Subtitles at bottom centered throughout the entire video. Narrator, looking for a quick and effective way to lose weight while enjoying delicious, healthy smoothies? The Smoothie Diet's 21-day rapid weight loss program is your answer. In this video, we'll reveal how this unique diet plan can help you shed pounds, boost your energy, and transform your body in just 3 weeks. Stay tuned to learn how. Text overlay, the Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program that works. What is the Smoothie Diet? 0:30 to 1:30. Narrator. The Smoothie Diet is a comprehensive, easy-to-follow program designed to help you lose weight fast using nutritious, fat-burning smoothies. This 21-day plan is packed with delicious recipes, meal plans, shopping lists, and everything you need to succeed. Stock footage of smoothies being blended, fresh fruits, and someone enjoying a smoothie outdoors. Narrator. You'll be replacing some of your meals with carefully designed smoothies that not only taste great, but are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients to support rapid weight loss. Keywords: the Smoothie Diet, 21-day weight loss program, rapid weight loss, smoothie plan, healthy smoothies, fat-burning recipes. How the Smoothie Diet works. 1:30 to 3:00. Narrator. So, how does the Smoothie Diet work? By following this 21-day plan, you'll replace 2 of your daily meals with nutrient-dense smoothies that keep you full and energized. These smoothies are packed with ingredients like leafy greens, fruits, and healthy fats that help burn fat, reduce cravings, and boost metabolism. Visuals of the smoothie ingredients such as spinach, berries, and avocado with animated effects showing metabolism increase and fat loss. Narrator. The diet also includes 1 solid meal and healthy snacks to ensure you're getting a balanced intake of nutrients while losing weight. It's a flexible, enjoyable way to reach your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Keywords: fat-burning smoothies, healthy meal replacement, metabolism boost, weight loss smoothies, flexible diet plan. Why choose the Smoothie Diet? 3 o'clock to 4:00. Narrator. The Smoothie Diet is different from other weight loss programs because it focuses on whole, natural foods that fuel your body while promoting fat loss. The smoothies are designed to be delicious, satisfying, and easy to prepare, making it simple to stick to the plan and see real results. Footage of someone preparing a smoothie and enjoying it as part of their daily routine. Narrator. Plus, the program is customizable to fit your needs. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or kickstart a longer weight loss journey, the Smoothie Diet has you covered. Keywords: whole foods diet, easy weight loss plan, natural weight loss, healthy smoothies, customizable diet program. Success stories and benefits, 4 o'clock to 5:00. Narrator. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with the Smoothie Diet. From rapid weight loss to improved energy and health, this program has helped users achieve their goals. Show testimonials and before and after photos from Smoothie Diet users. Narrator. One user shared, "I lost 15 pounds in just 21 days. The smoothies were so delicious, and I felt more energized every day." These are the kinds of results that make the Smoothie Diet a favorite among those looking for a quick and effective solution. Keywords: weight loss success stories, Smoothie Diet testimonials, rapid weight loss results, healthy transformation. How to get started with the Smoothie Diet, 5 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator. Ready to start your weight loss journey with the Smoothie Diet? It's easy. Just click the link in the description or visit bit.ly/smoothie-plan-hat-works to access the complete 21-day plan today and start seeing results. Text on screen, click the link now, bit.ly/smoothie-plan-hat-works. Keywords: start the Smoothie Diet, rapid weight loss program, healthy smoothies. Call to action and end screen, 5:30 to 6. Narrator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weight loss tips, healthy recipes, and fitness advice. Hit the subscribe button or visit bit.ly/42x to join our community. Text on screen, subscribe now, bit.ly/483426. Narrator. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to a healthier, slimmer you with the Smoothie Diet. End screen with clickable options. Watch next video vertical bar, subscribe now. YouTube video description. Title: The Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program that works. Description: looking for a quick and easy way to lose weight while enjoying delicious smoothies? The Smoothie Diet is a 21-day rapid weight loss program designed to help you shed pounds, boost your energy, and improve your health. With over 36 smoothie recipes, meal plans, and shopping lists, this plan has everything you need to succeed. In this video, we explain how the Smoothie Diet works and how you can get started today. Thousands have already experienced life-changing results. Now it's your turn. Get your Smoothie Diet plan here. bit.ly smoothie plan hat works. Subscribe for more weight loss tips and healthy recipes. bit.ly for keywords. The Smoothie Diet, 21-day weight loss program, smoothie weight loss plan, healthy smoothies, fat-burning smoothies, rapid weight loss success stories, meal replacement smoothies. Tags: # the smoothie diet, # smoothie weight loss, # rapid weight loss, # healthy smoothies, # fat-burning smoothies, # 21-day diet, # weight loss journey, # smoothie plan, # healthy living.